Hi, I'm Pete, and this is a Very Puzzle unboxing. To give you an idea, a little hint at what is in this box, you'll notice that I have a Megaminx here. I have Trefilm's great pillow cubic transformation of the Megaminx. This was a collaboration with Calvin, and he also, I guess, had permission from Tony Fisher, who actually made the first cubic Megaminx. And we also have Trefilm's Ball Megaminx, which was a collaboration with Calvin's. Now, the Ball Megaminx is a 6-color scheme. The cubic Megaminx, a pillowed cubic Megaminx, is also a 6-color scheme. And then, of course, the standard Megaminx with the 12 faces is 12 colors. So that gives us an idea that in addition to changing the shape of the Megaminx, we can also change the colors, and that's another variant. Okay, so this is my package from Very Puzzle, and I'm just gonna open that up right now. Okay, this is really well sealed. I don't want to hurt anybody here. I don't want to hurt the puzzle, so let's just kind of go in here and just be kind of gentle about this. I don't know if there's an inner box. I don't actually see an inner box. Okay, so I'll just take my time on this. Don't want to hurt anything in there. Oh, I think there are inner boxes. Okay. These are kind of gliding around here. I think I need to get a cloth or something to put on my table so that doesn't happen. All right, we'll get it. As you may notice, while I'm opening this, there's been a pretty big reconfiguration of my puzzletorium, my little puzzle area. It hasn't actually changed location, well, maybe just a little bit here, but yeah, I rearranged things and made things a little easier, gave myself a bit more room for videography. Okay, and just as I say, I'm just taking my time. You know, you don't have to watch this if you don't want to. You can just sort of skip to the punchline here. Alright. That's, yeah, so Very Puzzle's been on a bit of a roll lately. They've had quite a few puzzles, and my videos are not really keeping up. Alright, here we are. Okay, maybe it was a mistake to leave these other puzzles on the table here. Okay, we're getting there. I can see something inside the box. Okay, now if I just cut that, will that help at all? No, that didn't help at all. Okay. Okay, well, I just consider this box unboxing to be a bonus puzzle. How's that? Okay. Oh boy. Okay. Yeah. Oh boy. I'm sort of failing at the very first thing that I'm supposed to do here. Okay, I can actually see the puzzle, so that gives me a bit more confidence maybe to start cutting some of this. Okay, okay, I think I made some progress. Okay, what's causing the problem, I think, is that this corner is still sealed. Okay. Haha. Okay, well, that was a bit of an ordeal. Okay, I think the rest of this is going to go fairly quickly. And there we go. Okay, that was worth it. I'm sure that was worth it. Okay, am I going to need my knife again? I'm just going to put that away before someone gets hurt. This is one of these There we go. Okay, so as you can see, they've definitely been through the crushing machine, but that's okay. That's what all the packaging is for. The packaging is intended to take all the damage and leave the contents intact. So I think we're going to be okay. So I got two of their new Megaminx ball puzzles. So, and they're two variants, and they're very interesting variants. So I'm just going to go with the first one. This is Megaminx Ball V 1.0, 1.0, and it has all the materials, 148 grams, and 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters. That's basically the size of this package. Designed and manufactured in China, color black. Recyclable. Now, this says this is not just babies. I don't know if I can see this. If you can see this. Oops. Okay, sorry about that. I'm still getting used to my new setup here. This is 0 to 6. So this is no babies, no toddlers. And I imagine it's because they're small parts. They could probably put them in their mouth and choke on it. So that's the packaging. Now, this is unstickered, and they did warn me about that on their website. So I'm going to have to sticker this. And, alright, here we go. And okay, and then the stickers. And I just realized that I don't really have a good stand to put this on. I should have thought this through. Anyway, here's a sort of a stand. Okay, so this is... okay, I did need my knife some more. Okay. And, there we go. Okay, wow. That is really, really cool. So, what I have here, and it's turned a little bit, is just a very large, very puzzle quality, Megaminx ball. And I think for ball cubes, the bigger the better. So this is just slightly bigger than the Calvin's version. One thing I will say is it's much lighter than the Calvin's version. So I don't know whether that's good or bad. It's certainly nice. Okay, so initial impressions of the turning is it's really just fantastic. It has very puzzle written on it, on all the pieces there, and yeah. So that is a ball Megaminx. Now the Megaminx ball, they say, is 20 colors, and they give you a do-it-yourself sticker set. Yeah, this is for the Megaminx ball. I'm gonna see if I can get it to focus on this. Okay, there we go. You know what? I think this is working pretty well. Let me know in your comments. This is a new camera, slightly new setup, and because it's a new camera, it's not, I'm not quite as familiar with, all its quirks as I am with my older camera. My older camera is just really, I think it's past its prime now. Okay, so they give you the stickers. I guess I should have kept that intact a little bit. So they say 20 colors. They actually give you, I think they give you 22, which is they probably give a black and a white as well. So actually the colors are pretty nice. Now, I don't know if you can get a close-up of what they expect you to sticker with these. The challenge here is not just the shape transformation, but rather it's also the stickering. So what the sticker set gives you, I don't know if I can find one that has makes it easy to see. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna try this, see if you can see it. I'm having a little trouble on my monitor. Okay, maybe. So there's some of it. Okay, so what they're kind of giving you for these is basically a corner, and I think what they're doing is they're giving you kind of a sector. So I know some cubes, I've seen them with a 8 color scheme. So I think this is something like that. Somehow they're giving us 20 colors that we somehow have to apply on the, basically what is a 12-faced puzzle, 12-sided puzzle. So they do show the color scheme on the website, so I'm not too worried about getting that put together. Okay, well that was the Megaminx ball, and that's just, it's just an interesting variant of a Megaminx ball. I like these sorts of things, so that's why I got it. But even if you didn't necessarily just want a Megaminx ball, this other variant is really, I'm really kind of interested to see what they've done here. So I'm just putting stickers back so they don't get lost somewhere. Okay, we can put those all back here. Yeah, okay, next time I unbox ball puzzles, I gotta remember to get to have a stand, and I do have stands, I just don't have one handy here. Okay, so this one also, the box was totally crushed, but again, that's the purpose of the box. Some people collect them, but really the box is to protect the contents. So this is a Megaminx Ball V1.0-C1. So this is a C1 variant, and I'm kind of curious to know what that means. I can't think off the top of my head what that might mean. But there you go, and it's also 10 by 10, 136 grams. And then again, it's recyclable. That says 0 to 6. I don't know how close I can get this to focus, but it's no babies or toddlers. And again, it's just, there are small parts. We got to be mindful of that when you got little kids around. They like to eat things, like to swallow them. Alright, so we don't need that box anymore. And let's see if I can open this bag up here. So at first glance, it might look just the same as the Megaminx ball. It's certainly the same size. The weights seem to be pretty close. But what I understand is that this has, and yeah, you see it right away, it actually has, I'm just trying to line things up here. So on the Megaminx ball, all of the faces are going to be pentagons, 5-sided shapes. But on this variant, 2 of the faces, my understanding is that they're hexagons. And so yeah, I can see this one's a hexagon. Oops. Okay, there you go. So this face is a hexagon. So I'm just trying to get, I don't know how much light this is getting right now. And then so the opposite face should also be a hexagon, and indeed it is. So I don't know what this does to the solve. I can sort of see it being a little bit like a Tutminx, but maybe not the full Tutminx experience, something like that. So I'm looking here, and okay, so I can actually turn one of these edges, no problem. And then, yeah, so I don't want to get it too scrambled before I actually sticker it. Stickering might help a little bit. Now, the stickering of this is 12 colors, so that's kind of cool. It almost seems as if we're going to just have one face, one color per face. So the challenge here is just the fact that you've got 2 oddball faces, and it's going to change things a little bit, I think. Maybe. I don't know. I don't really know. But I'm really keen to kind of play with this, and once I get it stickered, and just see what it's gonna, what they've come up with at Very Puzzle. Wow, yeah, this is really cool. I think I'm getting lost just by looking at the unstickered puzzle here. And the turning is absolutely fine, and I don't think there's any lube on it. Alright, well, I got myself a little stand here for my C1 Megaminx ball variant, and so I can put that there, and it's not going to roll away while I show you the stickers. So this is a sticker set, C1 variant, and you get 12 colors in this, and so I think we're expected maybe to sticker each face. I'll have to go on the Very Puzzle website and see exactly what they expect there. So I'm going to open this up, and this is why I wanted to put the other stickers back before I open these up, because I don't want to get the sticker sets mixed up. Okay, I'll put the knife away, and here we go. Okay, so the stickers are okay. So this okay, it might be a little hard to see, but on the website they show that the six-sided face has a very unique center. It doesn't actually fill the hexagon, but rather it has these 6 little petals. It looks a bit like a flower. I don't know if you can actually see that. Okay, now I'm starting to be able to see this a little bit. It's hard to know if this is actually going to work. So yeah, so this is obviously the sticker for one of the hexagon faces, and here are the stickers for one of the pentagon faces, I think. And yeah, so it just, you have the corner and a bunch of edges here. One thing I don't see here is the pentagon, central pentagon face. So maybe it's in here somewhere. The pentagons. Okay. All right. Oh, well, this is anyway. It might be a little more visible what's on there. But yeah, so now I'm really curious as to how these are actually stickered. Well, we'll see. We'll see when I sticker them. So, but that'll be another video. I'll come back and I'll show you them all stickered, and certainly show you how they work, and even do a scramble or so. Alright, well that's it for my VariPuzzle Megaminx ball unboxing. I got my regular Megaminx ball, and I have my C1 variant, which has 2 hexagon faces. I'm really looking forward to getting these stickered up and give them a try, and I will bring that back when I get those done. As always, I appreciate your comments, your questions, your suggestions, so let me know what you think in the comments. And until next time, thanks for watching.